Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to log in Adobe Express for free. So let's started. At first open your desktop. Now go into the Chrome browser. Now select from a search bar, then type from Adobe Express. Now for search, then for enter, then click for a interface, then design made easy and Adobe Express. Now for click, then click for a go to Adobe Express, then you show interface from sign in. Now click for a Google with continue with Google. Now for click, then you show open the Adobe Express in the login full login successfully. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.